Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Jeep Patriot North. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in billet metallic silver, looks fantastic. You got that Jeep badging up front there with your halogen headlights and your fog lights down there. Coming around the side here we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great. Still lots of tread left on them as well, and they do have the 17-inch rims. Got your mirrors right over here, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have the 4x4 badging as well as the Jeep and the North. You can open it up just right here as long as it is unlocked, just like that. Looks great back here. Lots and lots of room. Very soft as well. Nothing will be getting wrecked. You got your spare tire underneath there and some additional storage just on the side there. And you can fold those seats forward as well for extra room. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, panic button there, and we do have a remote start right there as well. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows and locks all here, a handle here and some storage. Looks awesome in here. Very spacious and very comfortable seats as well. You got the controls over the seats here and here. And then over here we got the controls over the lights, so the off, on, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as the high beams there. And we also have our turning signals. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We do also have right in the center there how many kilometers we have, and we can switch that around to our trip A, our trip B, the temperature outside, and then back to the kilometers. That is controlled from right here. Horn in the center and cruise control options right there. And we do have our control over our windshield wipers right over here as well. And then in the center you do have your controls. So you have your seek options, your AM and FM, disc, aux cord, forward and rewind. Then you have your CD player here as well as the eject and the time. You have your volume up and down with the power. Presets down here, set, and then you do also have your selector there. Then down here we got the climate control, so the power up and down with the circulation, temperature control and AC. Then you have where it's going to blow it off with your defrosts, heated seats, traction control, and our hazard lights there. Gear shift here. Then we have our parking brake and our cup holders, as well as the 4-wheel lock there. Then you do have your armrest, doubles as a storage container, so top and bottom layers there. And then over here we do have our glove box and the top layer. Then you got some lights right up here. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle, control of your windows, and a handle here with a little bit of storage down there. Looks great back here as well. Very spacious. Nice and comfortable seats. It seats 3 people all together. And you can fold those seats forward as well, just like that, as I said, and then you do have extra room. There's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2014 Jeep Patriot North. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.